In this video, we are going to discuss about Zuki MOBA altcoin. It is in IDO mode at this time, and in hardly next 2 days you will be able to purchase this altcoin directly from the Pancake Swap exchange. At this time, the IDO is ongoing on number of platforms on the launch zone, secondly on the J Launchpad BSC station. So easily you can participate in the IDO. We are going to discuss each and everything about the Zuki MOBA and what are my own predictions about this altcoin I will share with all of you. So stay tuned with us. So guys, Zuki MOBA is a MOBA esport game, and you can even play alone or you can even go for the multiplayer online battle arena, which is built with a decentralized economy application oriented. In game, NFTs are used to build the characters, game items and metaverse structures. Now it means that very soon, in hardly next 3 to 4 months, when the project will be launched after 2 days, and then in next 2 to 3 months the team is going to develop a huge metaverse platform for all of you, where you can purchase some land with the NFTs and even with the Zuki MOBA altcoin. It's a play to earn mechanism is applied to create the economic benefits for the gamers, creating a unique point compared to traditional MOBA games. The game is built based on the traditional Japanese snowball game Yuki Gassen, which famous throughout the game world by its attractive nature of sports, fun, competition and attractive battle online, and can develop into a global esport game. We all knew one thing, that right now there are number of players all over the world which are playing especially the esport games, and surely this altcoin and also the idea of the Zuki MOBA will take it further. Here you can see the contract address, and very soon, right now, if you are going to purchase any Zuki token which is available on the Pancake Swap exchange, on the Bakery Swap exchange, please don't buy those altcoins with the same name, because the entire contract address and the real contract address of the Zuki MOBA is here, you can see, and on the main website you can even check the main contract address. So don't buy anything, simply you can participate in the IDO on number of platforms. Now something important about the Zuki MOBA. Whenever we are going to play any game and we want to earn something from that game, we have to switch on our laptop or PCs. But for the Zuki MOBA, we don't have to do all these things, because they are also ensuring the major thing, that is that very soon they are going to launch the mobile app on the Google Play and also on the App Store. So easily we can download the game and we can play this game at any time and earn some money. Zuki MOBA is designed with the background of a fun snow shooting game with simple gameplay and chibi graphics. You can even choose between the survival or team mode. In addition, in the battle there are also boss. Destroy the boss to upgrade the character and skills to win the battle. Very soon I will share the entire video that how you can play the game, MOBA game, because after playing the game you'll have the chance to make some good amount of Zuki MOBA altcoin, and also you'll have the chance to earn some NFTs. With the help of NFTs you can even earn more, because the Zuki token will work in entire ecosystem. Whenever you are going to win any battle, you will be rewarded with the Zuki MOBA token ZUKI. Here you can see again and again the contract address, and when you are going to win you will get some amount of the Zuki token, which you can even invest in the ecosystem, or you can purchase any type of NFTs directly from the main platform. Very soon the team is also planning for one thing more, that is basically the marketplace, where you can buy and sell different type of characters, NFTs and even the collectibles. So it means that the team of the Zuki is giving you the space where you can buy, sell or even lend some NFTs and earn something from the platform. Here you can see the list of the partners and also the backers. And the entire team is working in the crypto sphere from last 4 years. So it means they are going to take this token on a new highs very soon. What you think? Share with me. Stay blessed.